Hey, welcome back, and in this video let's learn how to check whether any number is divisible by 6 or not. So if you haven't watched the previous videos for the number 2 and for the number 3, then I request you to please go in the playlist and watch those videos for the number 2 and for the number 3, that is to check whether any number is divisible by 2 or 3 or not. Then come to this video because here we will use those concepts. And let me explain you for any number to be divisible by 6 or not by an example. Now let's take an example. Say I have number 474. Now to check whether any number is divisible by 2 or not, you just check whether at the units place you have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, whether the number has, if the number has these any one of these digits, then that number would be divisible by 2. So in this case you have 4 at its units place, and therefore this number is divisible by 2, right? Now check for the number 3. Is this number divisible by 3 or not? So to do that, you just add all these digits, that is 4 plus 7 plus 4. And I repeat again, if you haven't watched the previous videos for 2 and 3, that is the divisibility by 2 and 3, then please go and check that. So you will just add these digits, that is 4 plus 7 plus 4, and you will get 15. Is number 15 divisible by 3? Yes, this is 3 times 5 and you will get 15. Therefore 3 is the factor of 15, that is 15 is a multiple of 3, that is 15 is divisible by 3. And since this sum, that is the sum of all these digits, is divisible by 3, therefore this number will be divisible by 3. We know that, right? So this is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, right? Divisible by 2 and divisible by 3 both. So that is what the condition must be satisfied. That is, the rule is, if any given number is divisible by 2 and by 3, both of these numbers by 2 and 3, and that number will be divisible by 6. To satisfy the condition, it should be divisible by 2 and by 3. Let me take one more example. What about 2, 3 and 3? 3 to 5. Let me take here 4. So is this number divisible by 2? You would say yes, this is divisible by 2 because we have 2 at the units place, therefore it satisfies the condition for the number 2. And what about number 3? So to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not, we'll just add all the digits, that is 4 plus 3 plus 2, and you'll get this 9. And 9 is divisible by 3 because 3 times 3 is 9, right? Since the sum of these digits is divisible by 3, therefore this number is divisible by 3. Therefore it satisfies our condition, that is, if any number is divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 3 also, then that number will be divisible by 6 also. Therefore, if you want to cross check it, so 432 divided by 6, it will be 42 here, this is 12 and this is 2, right? So 6 times 72 will be 432. So this was the shortest way to check whether any number is divisible by 6 or not. So remember, if the number is divisible by 2 and if the number is divisible by 3 also, then that number will be divisible by 6 also.